Here we have to click on File and then click New to create the new project. Here you can give the project title. Okay. Now you have to select the model of the PLC. Since we know the model as EX2, you have to choose it from here. Here you can see the EX2 model. So choose that one and then click on OK. We'll be getting the ladder diagram mode. Just maximize the ladder diagram mode. So this is the programming configuration window. Here what we have to do is, first we'll be doing the basic things, that we have to connect the input contact and an output coil, and then we'll be simulating that thing and we'll be executing the program. Okay. So for that, how to place the input and outputs, or input contacts and output coils. On the third row, you can see the different types of contacts here. NO, NC, positive transition coil, negative transition coil. Then you can see the instruction block, output, all those things are actually mentioned here. So just click on the corresponding input which you want to do. Just click on that. We'll be getting an instruction box. And inside the instruction box, you can see the device name and the device number. So the input address for the Delta programming software will be like X0, X1, X2. It will go like that. So first of all, you have to give a particular address for the input switch. After selecting the address, click on OK. The input contact is actually placed here, right? So the next thing that we're going to do is we have to connect the output. So how to connect the output? Here you can see the output coil option. Just click on the output coil option here. They will be asking us for the output address. Since we know the output address is from Y0, we have to choose any particular output address. Click on OK. So this is how we'll be connecting a contact and coil, and we'll be producing a run. This is the programming run. Okay. So after providing the run, or after providing the program, what next is we have to turn on the simulator. Since we are doing the simulation here, we're not moving to the standard mode. Since we are just doing the simulation here you can see the option in the fourth rung, the last option, that is simulator. First of all, you have to click on the simulator option and enable the simulator. See, some changes is actually happen here, no? And how to analyze that whether the simulation is on or off. You can see on the downside of this screen, here you can see the simulator is actually enabled, right? So first of all, check this whether the simulator function is actually activated here. Now it's activated. Now we have to write the program to the PLC. So how we'll be writing the program? Here you can see the write to PLC option. Or simply you can press Ctrl plus F8 in the keyboard. It's a shortcut. So just click on the icon. They will be asking us to select the communication mode. So we are trying to do the communication from PC to PLC. We are just downloading the program. So just click on OK. They will be asking us to compile the program. Just compile to check whether if we are having some errors or not. Then click on yes. After compilation, if it's successful, we'll be getting a red box here, which means currently the PLC is not in the online mode and is not yet run. So after providing the simulation, we have to write the program to the PLC and it will compile automatically. After getting the compilation successful, we have to click on the online mode so that the software will be moving to the online mode. So this is the online mode option. Click on this one. See, now that rectangle is actually blinking, and to the right of that you can see the stop mode is actually activated, which means currently the software, the program is in the stop mode. So we have to make it run. Then only we can see the execution of the program. Okay. So how to make this run? This is the run option. So just click on the run option and we have to confirm it. See, now it's in the run mode. So the simulator is actually activated. The program is brought to the PLC and we make the software to online mode and the software is in the run mode. Now we can just turn on the switch. So for turning on the switch, first of all, select the contact in which we have to turn, or we have to toggle it. So select the contact, right click, click on set on option. See, you can see a green indication in both the input and output, which means the input is on and the corresponding power supply is moving from the left rail to the right side. That is to the output, and output is also activated. This is how we'll be communicating. We'll be just doing the program and we'll be turning on the contacts and saying whether the output connection that we provided, that the program is done well. Okay, hope you understand this way. So now we just came to the run mode and we simulate the program and we just confirm that is right. Now we are moving back to the edit mode. So how to move back to the edit mode? First of all, we have to turn the inputs off. For that, just select the input, right click, click on set off. The input will be turned off. After that, we have to stop the program. So click on the stop option here, click on S, then turn off the online mode. Just click on the same online mode once more. It will be turning off. Now we have to quit the simulator. So just click on the simulation option. We came back to the initial position. We are currently in the configuration page. So we came back from the run page to the configuration page. Clear, right? Okay. So this is how we'll be providing an NO contact and NO contact and the output coil. Now the next thing that we are going to do is we are trying to do the NC contacts. So when the first switch is on, like if X0 is on, we have to get the output. When X1, when the next contact is on, we have to get the output off. For that, we have to place another NC contact on the series to this corresponding NO switch, right? So for that, just click on the portion where you want to place the contact and then choose the corresponding contact. Change the device name to some other name. Click on OK. We'll be getting the NC contact here. Now again, we are trying to simulate this thing. Just click on the simulator. You have to write to the PLC. Click on OK. You have to compile it once more since the program is changed. We have to move to the online mode. Then we have to move to the run mode. Fine. Okay. Now, again, we have to turn on the X0 switch. Just select the switch, right click, set on. We'll be getting the output. Okay. When we turn on the X1 switch, we'll be getting the output off. So it interrupts the run and the output is turned off. Fine. So this is how we'll be providing the NO NC contacts. Okay. Now again, we are moving back to the initial condition. That means we are moving back to the configuration window by turning everything off. Let's see how we can provide a parallel switch. For that, first of all, we have to create a parallel run in between the end run and the program run. So in WPL soft, we are having, initially we will be having an end run. So just create a new run in between these two runs, right? For that, just right click here and click on insert a row. So we'll be getting a new row in between the corresponding runs. So here we can just place some type of contacts like NC, and I'm just giving like an NO. Click on OK. Yeah, we got it. But we have to give the parallel connection. No, since it's not having the parallel connection here, we have to give it. So for that, the parallel connection will be starting from this point, right? So we have to click on here. We have to select the cell and then click on the vertical option, vertical line option. So we'll be getting the parallel connection. This is how we have to provide the parallel connection. Okay, fine.